Seldom do we set ourselves a goal in life. Our lives generally revolve around eating, sleeping, studying, and partying and earning. Set in a grueling routine, days, months, and years pass, and before we know it, death stares us in the eye. Our lives are directionless and lack focus because we have not set any mission before ourselves. Even if we find ourselves too old to set a goal in life, let us make a pledge that as parents or as grandparents, we will help our children and grandchildren do what we could not. We will help them in finding a purpose of life and not impose our own desires and wishes on them. They are independent human beings having their own personality. We should make them discover the talent they possess, the one God gave them when He sent them in this world. It is this talent which, if unraveled at the right time, will make them take the right decision regarding their purpose of life. It is no less than that Shakespearean tide. There is a tide in the affairs of men which, taken at the flood, leads on to fortune. Omitted, all the voyage of their life is bound in shallows and in miseries. Polishing their talent could become a purpose of life. However, it is not an end. It is a means to an end. And that end is to expend that talent and use it for making their own living as well as to contribute part of it to the society ex gratia. If this passion becomes their profession, then they should count themselves to be the luckiest people on earth.